Hey, how's it going? I'm Dom, and in today's video, we're going to be checking out this awesome looking band by Pitaka. This is called the Poetry of Things Moon, and there are two different variations of this band. You can get the wind variation, which has a little bit more green to it, or you have the moon, which is what I have here. And yeah, in today's video, we're going to be checking this out. Now, I have been daily driving this band for quite a while, and I've been using it with my Apple Watch SE 44mm. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I think it looks really nice. Before we get any further in this video, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to my friends at Pitaka, who have kindly sent me this strap to try out in return for my honest review. But without any further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Let's start by taking a closer look at the box. And can I just say, I absolutely adore their approach to packaging on this. I mean, they've really made it stand out with that background with your trees, your moon, as well as that amazing looking watch face. So this is what they call the Poetry of Things Moon. And obviously it's made of aramid and carbon fiber. So this particular band is compatible with the Apple Watch Series 8 Tool 1, SE and Ultra. If you have a closer look at the details here, it's made out of what they call chromocarbon, and it's basically combining aramid fiber and carbon fiber to make the band more durable and stylish. It's unique and fancy. I couldn't agree more. One of the first things I liked about Pitaka when I first discovered the brand was their approach to style. It's different and it just looks so nice. It's 31 grams, which obviously makes it lightweight and comfortable, and it's got a magnetic clasp with security lock. So this is what the materials are. And yeah, let's take a closer look at what we have inside of the box. Wow, their approach to packaging certainly doesn't disappoint. I mean, this just looks really nice and premium. I mean, to be fair, that sort of price range, you'd expect it to be premium. So Moon, Poetry of Things. The moon, book of poetry. The moon shines bright, my love Snow White. She looks so cute. Can I be mute? Wow, that is cute. That's a really nice touch, this. And you've got another leaflet here, as well as your instructions. Back to the side. Oh, wow. I'm not sure if you're seeing this, but this looks really nice. Wow. Look at that. I really like how they've put that logo there. Makes it stand out. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Kind of feels plasticky, but I guess you'd expect that from the type of material it's made from. But it feels pretty good quality and nice and smooth as well. If we put that in there for now. Yeah, you got the same sort of thing here. That's the other side of the band. You got what looks to be like an accessory kit here. Let's have a look what this is. Oh wow. So you've got your links to here, as well as your tools for other watches, I would imagine. Pretty important part, I guess. So yeah, I'm now gonna be wearing this as my main watch strap for my Apple Watch SE. So this is a 44mm, and yeah, I'm currently using a Spygen rugged armor case, but I think it's going to be a nice change to use the Pitaka for the time being. And I think that it's an absolutely brilliant looking band. I mean, it feels really good in my hand. I like how smooth it feels. It looks absolutely brilliant, and most importantly of all, it is very comfortable to wear. I mean, I've been using it in my normal daily life. I've been using it for sports, various other activities as well, such as cycling, and it just feels really comfortable to wear. Now, in terms of changing the size of this and changing the links, it can be a bit fiddly to begin with, but once you have a proper look at the guide and once you sort of get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. That is why I decided to include a little part on how to change the links right here. Changing the links on the strap is a little bit different compared to other bands I've had, but it isn't too difficult. Allow me to explain. So for ease, I'm just going to take it off of the watch. So I'll just press that button in here and then pull it to the side. And the way that you do it, basically the box comes with this sort of SIM card injector tool. Um, it's not a SIM card injector, but I guess it's the same sort of shape. And what you do is you put it into one side, and if I allow it to focus in a little bit more, press it in and just slowly pull it to one side. Take it out, leave your thumb in on the side, put it in on the other side, and do the same. And then that will pop off. My biggest advice is be very careful with this, because these here are spring loaded and they will surprise you and jump out. But it is pretty simple. To put it back together, you simply put the springy thing in there. You put the one side of the springy thing in, and the other side just like that. And I would recommend putting your finger here so it doesn't jump out at you. And then you just simply, it just jumped out on me. And then you just simply put pressure on that there, and that's it. Like so. And that's that band. To summarize my review, I think that this is a brilliant band and it's highly worth the purchase. I mean, it just makes the watch look so incredible. I mean, you can match it with some incredible watch faces, such as the Apple Astronomy one. And yeah, and as for the clasp, I think it's pretty strong. I mean, it's got a magnet here, and yeah, that ain't going anywhere. This is what it sort of works like. And there you go into there, and they have a pretty strong hold, so that band isn't going anywhere. That's it from me in this video. If you like this video, it will mean a lot to me if you could give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you do want to get yourself a band like this, check out the links down in the description of this video. But that's it from me. Till next time.